Tawarruk. Firstly, under this contract, the customer identify a house from the developer or house owner and pays 10% down payment. Next, the customer approach a bank to apply for financing. The bank will assess his creditworthiness. Next, the bank will buy a commodity from broker A costing, let's say, 100,000. Next, the bank sell the commodity to customer for 140,000. The customer will pay the amount of 140,000 to the bank by installment throughout the financing period. Next, the customer sell the commodity to broker B and get cash. Next, the customer pay the remaining 19% balance to the house developer.
Automobile financing.
Ijarah Thumma Al-Bai. First, the client will identify and approach vendor or supplier of the asset that he or she needs and collect all relevant information. Second, the client approach bank for ijarah of the asset and promise to take the asset on lease from the bank upon purchase. Then, the bank will make payment of the price to the vendor. After that, the vendor will transfer the ownership of the assets to the bank. The bank will lease the asset, transfer possession and right of specific use to the client. After that, clients will pay ijarah rental over future time period. At the end of the tenure, a sale contract shall be executed with nominal price to effect the transfer of ownership of the vehicle to the customer.
Personal financing. Under personal financing have three. First, Inah personal financing. Second, Tawarruk personal financing. And third, Rahnu personal financing.
By Al-Inah. There are two contracts under this principle. First contract, bank sell certain asset to customer on deferred payment. For example, bank sell asset to the customer at Rm 70,000. After that, the customer will pay on deferred term, which is financing amount plus profit margin. Second contract, bank subsequently purchase the asset back from the customer on cash basis. For example, bank purchase asset from the customer at Rm 50,000. After that, bank will pay Rm 50,000 by cash, which is financing amount equal to amount of cash needed by the customer. Tawarruk. Firstly, under this contract, the customer and the bank enter into an agreement where the customer promise to buy a specified commodity or asset from the bank. The customer also appoints the bank as his agent to sell the said commodity. Secondly, the bank buys a specified commodity from broker A on a spot basis. Next, the bank sells the same commodity to the customer on a deferred basis at cost plus profit. After that, as an agent, the bank sells the same commodity to broker B on a spot basis. Next, the bank pays the customer the sale proceeds in a lump sum. Lastly, the customer pays the banks the purchase price of the commodity on deferred installment basis.
Created using Powtoon.